Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Princess. First, let's get everything ready for some bubbly fun. Carefully remove all the parts from the packaging and ensure nothing is missing. Next, locate the battery compartment, usually on the bottom, and insert 3 fresh AA batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Finally, open your bubble solution and pour it gently into the designated reservoir, being careful not to overfill past the marked line. You are now almost ready to create a cascade of beautiful bubbles. Now that your Bubble Princess is prepared, it is time to unleash the magic. Simply locate the power button, often on the handle or side, and press it firmly to turn the device on. Hold the machine upright and point it towards an open area, away from faces or delicate objects. Within moments, you will see a delightful, continuous stream of hundreds of shimmering bubbles filling the air, ready for endless enjoyment and play. To ensure your Bubble Princess provides lasting entertainment, proper care is essential. After each use, always turn off the device and carefully empty any leftover bubble solution from the reservoir. A quick wipe down of the exterior with a slightly damp cloth will keep it looking pristine. When playtime is over, store your Bubble Princess in a dry, cool location, away from direct sunlight, to protect its components and extend its lifespan for many more bubbly adventures. For the most enchanting bubble experience, consider a few extra tips. Always use a high-quality bubble solution. This significantly improves bubble quantity and durability. Double-check that the battery compartment is securely fastened to prevent any moisture intrusion. Remember, while Bubble Princess is fun for all ages, adult supervision is always recommended for younger children to ensure safe and joyful play. Get ready to create countless moments of bubbly delight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.